All right, so we'll install Node and NPM, that is Node Package Manager, to bring in multiple different libraries into our development environment together using Node installer. So if you install Node from Node.js.org website, you'll be able to install NPM together with the Node, and that will solve all of our problem, and it's pretty easy and straightforward installation. My name is Riju, and I'm an architect at Microsoft, and this is my Twitter handle, so in case you want to reach out, you can reach out to me, and I will be able to post more and more videos if you start subscribe to my channel and let me know what exactly is you are looking for and how can I help you in that. All right, so let's go into the machine which you have created. It's a fresh, brand new machine, and we have just installed the Visual Studio Code, which is there already, so we can actually check the Visual Studio. That's a fresh, brand new Visual Studio, and then we will now be installing Node here in this machine. So to install Node, you just say Node.js download in the search, and you go to nodejs.org. There's a download link. Depending on the operating system you are using, you'll be selecting the downloader. I'll choose Windows 64-bit. You can choose the operating system you are right now using. Right. So, and once this is kind of downloaded, I already have downloaded it. So let's go to the download folder, pick up the um, installer from the folder location. So I'll go in that folder location. And it should show me in the folder location over here in the download where it got installed. So let's double click this, and then it will kickstart the installation process. Now it is a wizard-based installation in Windows. So just follow the instruction, choose what you need, and then all of them will be installed in your machine, and this will be added to the path. That's absolutely important. Make sure it is selected so it will be installed on our disk path. And then you hit next and it say install. And it's gonna go ahead and install the necessary JavaScript libraries and NPM, that is Node Package Manager, right? Once you have that available, right, what you can do, you can go into, let's say, a folder, a working folder, which is right now empty. And let's say you create a new folder here and just test that Node is working, Node app. And then inside the Node app, you try to go to CMD. That's a command prompt. I'm gonna use it. So let's change the command prompt here from increase the font size, the default font size, and go and change the screen text to black and screen background to gray, and that should give me a better view. Okay, and then what I can do, I can start writing an application over here or check the Node installation. So just if you type Node, and if the Node is installed, it'll show you the current version v14.17.1. If you type npm, just npm, it'll show you the npm is also installed and the version is 6.14.13. Right, so we have done the installation. And now let's try building some sample application, the first Node application. Okay, so to do that, we have created this folder, and I go into this folder location, and I clear this up, and I go to this code. So to open a code in a specific folder, if you put code dot, it's gonna go ahead and open the code editor in that folder. And because we do not have anything in that folder, it will be able to see no, let's say, files created here, right? So to add a file, let's say I add server.js or app.js, whatever the JS file you want to add, you can add. And then you can say console.log, and I just want to print hello Node. Okay, that's a simple app. That's what's gonna show me in that. And if I go ahead and open my terminal window, and I just can say new terminal or control tilde, that will open the terminal, and I say node server. So you may provide .js or you can omit that, and that's all fine. So hello node is showing up. So my first node application is working. Now just to check if my npm is configured properly, I can tell similarly just like node, I can say npm init, and that will initialize this process with a package.json file. But it will also ask me a couple of inputs. Okay, so I'll say that app test. Okay, and then the version is 1.0.0. This is for demo, and then I say server.js is entry point, test command nothing, get repo nothing, keywords demo test, and then I say author my name, and I go ahead and say MIT is the license, and I say yes, default is yes. Now the package.json is created, and you can see that the value of the package.json is showing up over here, and you can see that it also is a start script. Now what is the start script? Script is basically the node command which you generally run to run this node application. If you have this start script available in your package.json file, and then you open the terminal again, this time instead of you typing node.server.js, okay, you can simply say, you don't need to do that, you can simply say npm start, whatever the name of the script name is. You just call that with npm start, and it will start the same process. So it will do the same thing, and it will show you the hello node message showing up in the screen, right? So you can see that hello node is getting displayed over here. So that's what um, confirms that we have got node installed, npm is working, and we will be able to now build our application using this component. All right. Thank you very much, and we'll see some of the additional stuff in our next demo.